What if you could rebuild Super Mario just by talking to an AI? No code, no engine, no experience, just a conversation. We tried it with Gemini. And what came out the other side genuinely surprised us. It's not a perfect clone, it's not the original, but it is a working, playable Mario-inspired game built entirely through prompts. And that alone changes everything. Because the point isn't whether it's pixel perfect. The point is that the wall between "I have an idea" and "I have a game" just got a lot thinner. We're not there yet, but we are closer than we have ever been. This is what AI-assisted game development looks like right now. Messy, exciting, and full of potential. Let's see what it can actually do. After a lot of prompting, a lot of trial and error, and more than a few frustrating moments, we finally got there. A more stable, more playable version. Not perfect, still has its bugs, but it works. And let's be honest about what that actually means. What you're looking at right now, this one level, this one working version, could have taken a team of developers months to build from scratch. Months of coding, debugging, testing, rebuilding. We did it in hours, with an AI, through conversation. Yes, there are bugs. Yes, it's rough around the edges, but that's not the point. The point is that we got here at all. And if this is where we are today, just imagine where we're going. Because this isn't the ceiling, this is the floor. Open world games, realistic physics, professional level design, games that you actually publish and people actually play. That future is closer than it sounds. In fact, just recently Google unveiled an AI agent that can publish Android and iOS apps with a single button. One button, from idea to App Store. That's not a concept, that's already happening. So yes, right now it's imperfect. Right now it has limitations, but the direction is clear. The progress is real. And the people building with these tools today, they're going to be miles ahead when this technology matures. We're not just playing a Mario clone. We're looking at the future of how games get made.